Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the class. Today we will see about the multiplicative inverse of a fraction and how to do division over fractions. So to begin with, multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of a fraction. So reciprocal of a fraction is obtained by inverting it. For example, if I write 1 by 5, its reciprocal means 1 divided by 1 by 5. So reciprocal means reciprocal of 1 by 5 will be 5 by 1. Getting the concept? Reciprocal of 2 by 3 will be 3 by 2. Okay. Is it clear to you? And because this is used in division, that's why it is introduced to you. The term reciprocal of a fraction, it is used in division. So if I ask you the reciprocal, now here they are saying find the reciprocal of 2 by 9. So the reciprocal or the multiplicative inverse, both the terms are same. So reciprocal of 2 by 9 will be 9 by 2. This only you have to learn. Now what about reciprocal of 15? It will be 1 by 15. Okay, when nothing is there, then it will be 1 by the number. If the fraction is given, it will be inverted. Now reciprocal of 3 by 8 will be 8 by 3. Reciprocal of 4 by 3 will be 3 by 4. Clear? So just now we studied about the reciprocal. Now coming to division of fractions. Because in division only reciprocal is important. Now see the example here. Two fractions are given, 4 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. You have to divide a fraction. Then what you are going to do? Actually the second term you will reciprocate. Means इसको उल्टा लिखेंगे. Okay. And this number will be changed to multiplication. Look here. 4 by 2 into 3 by 2 will become 2 by 3. Now as you multiply, 4 into 2 is 8, 3 into 2 is 6. This can be further reduced as 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. So the answer is 4 by 3. Now look one example here. 35 divided by 7 by 5. So 35 in fraction will be written as 35 by 1 divided by 7 by 5. This much is clear to you. Then changing the sign, 35 by 1, division will be changed to multiplication, and then the next fraction will be inverted. So inverted means 5 by 7. Now you see here 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. That is 25 by 1, which is equal to 25 is your answer. Fine, that's why we studied how to find a reciprocal, because reciprocal is used in doing divisions of fractions. So let us see the exercise now. Question number 1, they are asking to divide. We have already seen the questions. Two of them are done for you. You can see them. 15 by 27 divided by 5. So it means 15 by 27 divided by 5 by 1. This 5 will be written in fraction as 5 by 1. And then for the next step, division will be changed to multiplication. And 5 by 1 will be reciprocated as 1 by 5. So let us solve. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. So the answer is 1 by 9. Okay. 24 by 8 by 3. It means 24 by 1 divided by 8 by 3. On solving, you will get the answer as 9. Question number 2 is evaluate. Evaluate also means to do the calculation, whatever is asked. Let us take subpart 5th. 2 whole 4 by 7 divided by 1 whole 5 by 7. So that will be 18 by 7 divided by 12 by 7, which on solving will give you the answer as 3 by 2. Now let us do the third part. Question number 3, fourth part. What is that? It is 27 by 5 divided by 3 by 2. It means what? Again 27 by 5 into 2 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27, 9 twos are 18, by 5 is the answer. So classworks and homeworks are already ticked. Moving on to the next part, write down the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. I have told you the direct method of writing the reciprocal. So 1 by 13, its reciprocal will be 13 by 1. But there is a method, that is dividing the number by 1. So you have to show it. Many of you will write that 9 equals to 1 by 9. I don't understand what is this. You have to write reciprocal of 9 is 1 by 9. Not directly you will write. Okay. So let us see the second part. 12 whole 2 by 5 divided, that is equal to 12 fives are 60 and plus 2, that is 62 by 5. So its reciprocal will be obtained by dividing 1 divided by 62 by 5. So 1 by 1 into 5 by 62. That's how we got the answer. As anyways, you know that the reciprocal of 62 by 5 is 5 by 62. But these are the proper methods. So now for third and fourth as your homework. So question number 5 says the cost of 4 whole 1 by 4 kg of sugar is this. Find the cost of 1 kg. So the cost of 1 kg will be what? Let us say the cost of 1 kg is, no, we will not assume if total cost is given for 68 kg. So cost of 1 kg will be 68 divided by 4 whole 1 by 4. Solve it, you'll get the answer. 6. The product of a fraction and sum of this is 5. So product of a fraction, let the unknown fraction be x, and this you have to add sum. So let the unknown fraction be x, and the sum of 2 whole 3 by 4 is how much? That is 25 by 4. So question says fraction into, product means into, sum of this is equal to 5. So x into 25 by 4 is equal to 5. So x will be, this term is getting multiplied on one side. So when we say that 2 into 5 is 10, it means 2 equals to 10 divided by 5, isn't it? That is justified. Multiplication on one side will change to division on other side. Same way x into 25 by 4 is 5. So x will be 5 divided by 25 by 4. Solving it, we'll get the answer of x as 4 by 5. So that was all for today, my dear students. Do your works on time. Thank you. Have a nice day.